In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list into GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Importing a list into GetResponse is an essential skill for anyone looking to build an email marketing campaign, manage contacts, or communicate effectively with their audience. So, whether you're transitioning from another email marketing service or just getting started, this guide will help walk you through the entire process. First, let's begin by logging into your GetResponse account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to do that first. Just head over to GetResponse's website, create your account, and verify any emails to ensure everything is set up. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your mission control, where you can access all your campaigns, contacts, and features. Now look over on the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu, and what you want to do is find the Contact section. Click on that, and then you'll see a drop-down menu where one of the options will be Import Contacts. Give that a click, and we're moving on. Upon clicking, you should see a new screen prompting you to start the import process. Here you have two options. You can either add contacts one by one or upload a file. For most people, especially if you have a large list, the second option is going to be the most efficient. So we're going to focus on importing a file. Now, you need to have your list of contacts ready to go. Typically, this list is in a CSV format, but GetResponse also supports TXT or XLS files, if that's how your data is organized. If you're not sure about the format, CSV is commonly used and accepted across many platforms. Before you import, ensure that your file contains headers that match with the fields in GetResponse, like name and email address. This step will make the process smoother and minimize any headaches. Once you have your file ready, click on the Upload File button. A new window will open, allowing you to locate the file you saved on your computer. Navigate to that location, select your file, and click Open. GetResponse will start processing the information now. Just a heads up, this could take a moment depending on how large your list is. After the file is uploaded, the next step is to match the columns in your file to the fields in GetResponse. You'll see a mapping screen where you'll need to assign the fields in your CSV to the appropriate fields in GetResponse. For example, if you have a column for first name in your file, ensure it's matched to the first name field in GetResponse. This ensures that when you send out emails, the information is personalized and appears as intended. Once you finish mapping all the fields, verify that everything looks correct. If everything checks out, hit the Import button. Pat yourself on the back because you're almost done. GetResponse will process your import, and you may receive a confirmation email once it's complete. It's essential to monitor this import process. Sometimes there can be issues if, say, there are formatting errors or invalid email addresses. So, keep an eye on any notifications from GetResponse to resolve these if they arise. Once your contacts are imported successfully, you'll find them in your contacts list within GetResponse. Now, from here, you can start to segment your contacts, create targeted campaigns, and engage with your audience effectively. That's pretty much it. Importing a list into GetResponse is straightforward once you know the steps. If you follow this guide, you should have a smooth experience. Now remember, effective communication is key in email marketing, so take the time to create compelling messages that resonate with your audience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful videos.